Hello and welcome to the next tutorial. Today we are going to take a look at the Ethercat diagnosis. So if we go to Service, Ethercat, we can see the current state of the Ethercat field bus, and we have an LED which says if the Ethercat is okay, the number of slaves found, slaves in operational, the kernel version, kernel error, and master error if there is one. At the moment the field bus is running. We don't have any error message, and if we go to the SCADA project, we can see in service Ethercat how it's built up, and that is just linked to the HMI variables, and also the LED is just an off and an on LED, which you can switch here, and you can see that this is linked to an variable which is in the status struct Ethercat and Ethercat OK. If we take a look at the proper project, we have the TB-ECT diagnosis in function block instances, technology, cyclic technology, and TB-ECT diagnosis. And it's quite a big function block, so yeah, you can see more details also in the watch window. If you take the tech template struct in the watch window and you go to Ethercat diagnosis struct, and we go to the first one, like here, the 0 index, let's say, and we take a look at the current state. We have the function block enabled and number of slaves is set to -1. That means, yeah, it should be detected automatically. It's active, Ethercat is okay, and yes, it just displays what we see in the visualization. Now let's try to force an error. I'm going to unplug the Ethercat cable. So now you can see that we have a error and the output variable kernel error info, which gives us the message physical interface Ethernet link broken and slave not accessible. And yeah, so let's take a look at the HMI, and here we also have an Ethercat not okay LED. So it's red, and slaves in operational is now also set to 0, and we have the error message here in the kernel error text as well.